It really is. I would just you know, kind of throwing it off the cuff here, I would venture to say that out of roughly 1,000 people who may be listening tonight, right, on this frequency, I would be very surprised if there are more than one out of 1,000 who has even the faintest idea how that radio works.
220 volts, 235 volts. Wow. You can't pick it up. Would you like better lighting?
Oh no, go ahead.
I say you want better.
Don't mind me.
On here? Or you get some more.
Here for 30 years and you can't get them off.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna do the old. See, I don't have the damn schematic. I mean, I don't have the SAMs. And they probably tell you how to take these things off. Right. It's got
How you making out there, Doc?
I got, oh, you want to take more? Good. Good.
That's good.
Always inside the kids. Yeah, I see some writing.
Oh no, this is Matt's.
Bob, take a picture. I'm handing him a bag. It's coming out. Okay.
I think a bird flew over and made a mess on your speaker. Harry?
That's Nicholas.
That's Dave's.
Dave.
It's got a CRT. It must be Dave.
This is the first time he's broken this stuff out in years.
Well, it's not an oscilloscope. It's got a speaker.
No.
Could do that. It was insane. I mean, I'm not the brightest filament in the series string myself, but
So we had a bad cold solder joint.
cold solder joint. But because the cold solder joint broke the connection, what happened was that the circuit wasn't continuous here, which meant that the voltage went down in some places, but
It went up in others, and that's why it Zorch the 12.
It was not a happy situation.
The 12AT7s, which were down here.
Yeah, 12AT7s make really poor light bulbs.
That's a weird circuit. I was trying to figure out what is that doing.
What were we reviving, guys?
We've got a Radio Shack SCA 235 that I brought back to life. It was blown fuses. I brought it back to life, and I got to a point where I'm stumped with it because it's got distortion, and I don't know enough about it to be able to figure this crazy schematic out. So I got a genius here to help me out today. And I'm very thankful.
Why? I think you're in good hands, so I don't think...
Oh, yeah. Yeah, according to Rich, I am in good hands.
It's a nice receiver.
Yeah.
I've had a couple Radio Shack receivers from like the 70s. They actually work really nice.
Yeah, it's a muscle. It's like a muscle trend. You know, one of the big ones. Usually they're about 30 watts. This is 55 RMS. I have one that's 65 RMS. And it's an asterisk.
Yeah.
The charge, even if it's dead, it's never going to harm them. But Obama saying opposing his nominee goes against the Constitution, which of course it doesn't.
How does your wife put up with you?
Oh, she just does.
Senator, I think your voice better there.
You gonna share that with anybody, or you just gonna drink it all by yourself?
You better break your camera, don't you?